How many times has your mom called you to help her connect something to the internet at home? Think about it. You've helped her connect her laptop, tablet, phone, smart TV, and more, but she still doesn't quite know how to use them. And when these things crash, who do they always call? You. And what do they say? Hey, this gadget isn't working. It's another drive to your mom's house just to factory reset the device. Ease your tech experience with EasyTech, EarthLink's remote tech support for nearly all internet-connected devices. EarthLink makes fixing tech easy for everyone. So, how does EasyTech work exactly? 1. Download the EasyTech app for iOS or Android. 2. Connect with EarthLink technical experts. 3. Support remotely accesses and fixes your device. EarthLink makes sure you and Mom always get the help you need, whenever you need it.